everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to do some fun Christmas mini envelopes with you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to make them, and we'll do some fun decorating with them. Okay, so I got some goodies here to play with today. I just had some scrap papers, and they have to be square. That's the trick to making the envelopes, is they have to be square, pretty square. I want to say perfectly square, but I don't ever measure perfectly, so you can even trim a little bit if you need to. So square is the key, and I just have an extra book just to do some inking on and stuff. So I just got a dictionary book, just some old book to do that on. Some fun little goodies to play with, some ephemera packs from Tim Holtz. I got the curator. I got mini fasteners that we'll play with, field notes, and I got some fun little keys here. I don't know, maybe we'll hang some off. Just some cute little keys. You'll see, I got some threads and little tiny fabrics, which are always fun to put behind. Just some of the little goodies here that we'll go through, and some of the Christmas stuff. So I'll just get some more little things out. Here, this one would be cool. That would be kind of fun. So just some fun, just, it's the Christmas ideology. And, yeah, I'm thinking that would be kind of cool. And some words. I got some words. Crackling campfire, walnut stain, glue. We got some art glitter glue and some blenders. I got a little pokey tool, so I can poke the little brads, the mini fasteners, and whatever else you can find. Just some fun things to play with here. And let's get going here. I'll show you how to fold them. And then I got some extra ones over here that we could play with and put together and stuff. So let's get going. Let's see, let's start with, I got my handmade paper, which could make a fun little envelope. So what I do is just fold it diagonally like that. And I try not to make a huge crease all the way down. So I just kind of fold it and then line it up and then do another fold this way. Like that. There we go. And then you just line it up from tip to tip and make sure it's all aligned. And do a little pinch right here on the tip. So just pinch it. And that's all we need right here, is just to see where we're going to line up. So then you look at it, see which one you want to be the top that folds down, or, you know, actually I don't fold them down, I just leave them up like that, but you can fold them down if you want to. So whatever you want it to be the top, and the bottom that folds up, and just kind of look at it and see how you want to do it. So I start with the side flaps that go in and just meet into the middle right here. The little plus sign that we made, just right in the middle. So I flap that one over, and then I do this one over like that. And then when you bring the bottom part up, you're gonna wanna bring it up just a little bit. So about here, like that. So you're gonna wanna fold it up about a quarter, 1/8 of an inch, probably. Like that, I'll show you. So you just want to fold it up like that, and you could see here, like that. So you can see that I just went ahead and folded it up, just like that. So there we go. And you can either fold this part down or trim it off. Let's see. So I just take it and just kind of go snip. Okay, so it's as easy as that. And then you just take your glue and just do a bead of glue to there and there, and then pop it up, and there you go. You got yourself a little envelope. So that's super fun, and you can fold this down if you want to, you know, just Just have it so it folds down. But I like it up like that. I think it'd be fun because I think this is a great little decorative thing for the front of a journal that you could put on, or you could clip it inside of a journal and have it so it's, you know, a fun little pocket to put stuff in. Yeah, so that's basically how I make them. And let's go ahead and decorate it then. I just pulled that one out. It's gonna be one of those days where I'm losing everything. Oh, here we go. So you can kind of see how you want stuff. I kind of like it stuff on the side right there. I don't know why, but that just seems to be the way I've been doing them, is kind of just a pretty decorative on the side. But I guess you can go on the other side too. Maybe I should do one on the other side. Okay. And then I got all my threads, and I got my coffee dyed cheesecloth here, which is always fun to play with. I think I need to make some more. I got tons of cheesecloth. I just need to coffee dye it. Okay, so just do a little snip. And this is fun just for a background. Get some more threads. Maybe throw a little bit of red in there. A little bit of red fabric. This is why I keep all my tiny fabrics and my threads. I mean, really, it's just so much fun to play with. You can just build it up and make it however you want. So I'm just going to put that down like there. And then that will go right on top. Isn't that cute? So, I mean, it's really just that simple. Let's do a little glue down. Let's see how this is going to go. So, some of it's going to be hanging off. Isn't that cute? So you get yourself just a little mini, cute little envelope that you can clip and add things to. And let's see here. I got some stuff I already inked up. So I think Mary, got yourself a little stamp. Okay. Things like that. I'm really liking just adding some stuff behind it. It just gives it like a little pop. Maybe I'll stick with red here. So you take it and just kind of let's make it into like a little nest. Down. I mean, we might be having a little too much thread happening, but it's really cute. Maybe I'll just make it less thread. I'll just snip all that off. Sometimes I go overboard. Okay, there we go. Just enough. Take it like this. Maybe we could do it on this side. And just add it like that. So that's fun. So yeah, just look at your stuff, see what you got. Come craft along with me and see how many little envelopes we can make. Because I think these are going to come in handy for journals for sure. So I figure I'm just going to make a good amount today. You know, maybe put some music on later and just sit here and build these up and just see how many I can get, because I think these would be great to just go to and grab them and clip them into your journal, or look at it and make it for a cover, or you know, something fun like that. I think they're going to work out great. Do I want this in there? Nah, I don't think I need that. So there we go. And if I wanted to, I should have inked it first probably, but you can just take it. Just do a little ink around. Give it some interest here. It's always nice to have a little scrap piece of paper hanging around. You can't really see this side, but there we go. So there we go. Isn't that cute? That's so much fun. Okay, we got that one done. Now, I'll fold another one with you guys. I even got some magazine pages. I just thought I have one here done, but isn't that cute? It's got a little doily. I thought that was cute. So it's just a little, you could take magazine pages and do this with it. Book pages. These are just some little post-it note things I had. They're not sticky, but I got a whole box, cute little box of them at like Goodwill. So, I mean, aren't they cute? Just little hummingbirds. And that's perfectly square, so how did I do that? I did this one. I got them all stacked up here. So I just did it just like that. So I think that turned out really cute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take the magazine page here and just fold it in a triangle. Like that. And you could crease it if you want to, but I just kind of just do it loosely. And then you can hold the tip here and then just fold it into another triangle. So the main thing we're trying to do here is just get this tip to see where the X will be, or the little cross. So just kind of pinch the tip, open it up, and then there's your center. I mean, you can measure it if you want, and just kind of measure it out, but that's the easiest way I found to do it. And then I just fold in, fold it in, and then you can take it and just fold it up. Okay, there we go. And like I said, you could just fold this down if you want. You could just go like this. Just do a little fold down. A little bit of glue here, a little bit of glue there, and then just pop it together. And you got yourselves an envelope. So it's that easy. Pretty fun. Okay, so these turn out super cute. You could do magazine pages, you could do book pages, you could do post-it notes, you can do your scraps, get your scraps out, you can do your pretty papers, different things like that. What I want to do is go ahead and decorate real quick some of these. And I got these fun little, just the little mini fasteners like I showed you guys. And I want to take one of these out, and I just got some packaging. And I'm going to pop it, ooh, throwing things around. I'm just going to pop a hole right here. Just because I think it'd be fun just to kind of add just a little interest here. Ooh. Oh, I put it in my pocket. I put it in my envelope pocket. Okay, and then just open the brad here. There we go. So there, I think that's super cute. Just to kind of have a little, just a little metal interest in there. Why not? So we got threads, we got, you can throw fabrics, you know, I got little pieces of fabrics, I got paper, got a little bit of, you know, metal. So I think that's cute. So that's fun like that, if you can see it. Okay, and let's see. So for this one, let's go ahead and Here, let's do the bigger one because I'm thinking about adding a key to it, and I want to hang it off the bottom. So let me grab my my crocodile and an eyelet and then a bulb pin. So let me go get all that, and then we can make a fun just little dangle off of it. All right, so I'm just going to take my crocodile and just pop a little hole in the corner here. Isn't that fun? So let's get that there. Oh, I grabbed purple. I didn't mean to grab purple. Well, let's just use purple for time's sake here. I thought it was a brassy color, but that's okay. So I was just taking it. I have some beads on here, just my little bulb pin. And then you can add just a trinket and then hang this off the end. Preferably not purple because it clashes, but that's fun. And I just wanted to show you guys that you can have a little dangler. Is that cute? I don't know if you guys see that. There you go. So yeah, just have a little dangle off of it. Let's see, we can add a word. Oh, I like a magical. That's fun. So let's get magical. So it's nice to have just a little book or something beside you that you can ink on. So we can just add a word. So we got magical. And then there you go. So just take your fun little things that you have. And I mean, even if you don't have like any Christmas things or anything like that, or any Tim Holtz stuff, you could just use your fun fabrics, your fun laces, your threads. Just do a really cool light piece of paper that has something pretty on it, or even your magazine pages. These are great to work with. And yeah, so I just wanted to pop on real quick today and show you guys these. And I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments, please. And hit the like button if you guys are liking this video. That helps me out so, so much. And yeah, I want to hear what you guys made. And I would love, and anything on, like if you're on Instagram or Facebook or anything like that, just tag me, you know, hashtag snowstormcrafts, and I will come check it out and comment on your page, and I'd love to see what you guys made. Whoops. And yeah, so I mean, we just got tons of little just fun things. I made it out of packaging, so we got a packaging one, and all this. I mean, I just went to town. I just sat last night, watched my favorite TV show, and just sat there and made envelopes. Just fun little envelopes. So I hope you guys found this informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.